we are getting to know that the opposition obviously has been seeking, as we've been telling you, a special session when it comes to the Pahalgam attack. And now a new statement has come from the Law Minister himself. Arjun Ram Meghwal has said that the centre has received these letters indeed from Rahul Gandhi and other leaders, but it's going to be the CCPA which is going to decide whether this special session is needed or not. We will talk about the significance of the statement and the opposition obviously demanding that special session, what's expected in the CCPA. But first of all, listen in to what Arjun Ram Meghwal said.
राहुल गांधी ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को खत लिखा, जो हालात बने हैं उस पे स्पेशल सेशन की वो डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि सरकार को बुलाना चाहिए।
देखिए, पत्र तो आया है, अब इसमें सीसीपीए विचार करेगा, जो विचार आएगा आपको बता दिया जाएगा।
राहुल गांधी ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को खत लिखा, जो हालात बने हैं उस पे स्पेशल सेशन की वो डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि सरकार को बुलाना चाहिए।
देखिए, पत्र तो आया है, अब इसमें सीसीपीए विचार करेगा, जो विचार आएगा आपको बता दिया जाएगा।
All right, my colleague Pragya is live with us on the broadcast. Pragya, this is a big statement coming in from the Law Minister, isn't it? The Law Minister saying that these letters from Rahul Gandhi and others when it comes to seeking that special session have been received, but final call obviously with the CCPA.
Absolutely right, and there's a committee in place to decide all these matters. In fact, every parliament session is being decided by CCPA, but government is also of the view, and they are taking a very considered stance on this particular demand, because in all party meeting everyone said that unequivocally they are with the government, but when it came to commenting on the government decision and also on Pakistan, the statements differed from party to party, and in fact opposition leader were seen as commenting on the government of the day in a light that looked like a pro-Pakistan statement, and Pakistan also used these statements in their assembly to target the government. And this is an international, it has it has all the eyes of the international world as well on it. So the government is treading very cautiously on this demand, because they are now doubting the intent of the opposition as to what they are going to say, because this is going to be relayed in fact in Pakistan as well if any such statement come from any of the opposition leader. So they are quite doubtful of the intent of the opposition, and they are also waiting and watching what the stance of the opposition parties are going to be. No decision yet taken on the demands, and it is likely that CCP is likely to decide whether they are going to have the special session or not, or whether they are going to have this special session before the action has been taken against those terror hideouts, and also whatever the action that we need to take against Pakistan on that, or before that.
Absolutely. Pragya, thank you for joining us with all these details. Politics, obviously, over the Pahalgam attack, unfortunately escalating, big war of words between the BJP and the Congress. And in the midst of all of this, we have obviously the Congress leaders who are demanding a special session on the Pahalgam attack. What happens next? All eyes obviously are going to be on the back-to-back crucial meetings which are lined up today. CCPA going to take the final decision whether that special session is needed or not. We'll bring you each and every update, viewers. As of now, we're slipping into a short commercial break.